Good morning, good morning, good morning. And today we're going to the electronic cigarette shop, and if I can get the packer one, I'll buy for him, buy for my uncle straight away for Easter present. Guys, I know e-cigarettes are becoming more popular due to celebrities are promoting this sort of stuff. Now, I should have mentioned about this sort of e-cigarettes in the beginning of the film. I'm not showing off or purchase it, for myself. Well, I actually purchased it for my uncle who actually is illness and needs to quit smoking. Now, my stepdad, who advised me to get one of these stuff because he's also a long-term smoker and he couldn't find anywhere to quit smoking. Therefore, he recently got into e-cigarettes and he quit for good. And he's out of nicotine in his body as well. So he advised me to get one of these stuff to my uncle and for Easter present as well.
The coral head, the finger part, it doesn't have to be on by much. So that is good to go.
I hope I can save my uncle's life because at the moment he just had a prostate cancer, receiving surgery, and his blood pressure is high, and I hope this thing works. And my cousin having a bad day due to family issues, so I convinced her to head out the urban area to all the way to Dandenong Park just to feed on wild birds, and it really made our day, really highlight of the day as well. You can see different landscape, and yeah, stay away from urban areas pretty good. Jeez, Anne loves birds. I'm not afraid, I'm just video camera. Oh, look at that one. That's a beauty. Anne always get a lucky one than me, huh? What's going on today, huh? Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Look at Anne! All that fighting with the dad pays off, yeah? Oh, what a good number! We only got the simple stack. Oh, look at that, Black Forest. No, we're not heading back home. We are heading back to the bird place to see if there's more birds. We want to encounter more of the, cockatoos. We love the cockatoos. I may look calm and enjoying the bird, but to be honest with you, I was in pain the whole time. Thank God I brought my jumper because the cockatoo's claws, they are so sharp and lethal. And yes, as you can see, and on the other hand, she's in pain, as you can see. So Anne, what's it like to be with an animal?
Really fun.
So Amy bought us tickets to attend to a comedy show. I never even been to a comedy show, so I don't know who's my comedians is presenting tonight. Hopefully I know someone or I understand something about it, but let's go and let's get in. We've got a challenge right now. They're gonna get on the tram, me, skateboard, to Melbourne Central. See who'll get there first, huh? Who'll get there first, huh? Who'll get there first, huh?
I got a zebra!
Alright, so let the challenge begin. Let's see who's going to get there first, tram or me on a skateboard. So right now I'm in the Melbourne Central shopping centre, and I have no idea what's the way out, and for the meetup spot. Oh gosh, time is draining. I felt like I'm losing, but I keep on hanging there and keep running as well. I'm so late. It was fun taking this challenge, but yeah, I sweat my bum off. Oh well. I got lost. Got lost. Oh my god. Oh shit, I'm tired.
Hey, you lost quite a bit, didn't you?
I was so lost because that was so not fair, because I was like, I was trying to go to the shortcut. I don't want to go straight because it's like to the clock, right? I was like, I should run to the clock. I was running around, and I run through, you have like shopping center, you have to go through another road. I was running around, there's all these restaurants. I was running around circle. I was like, where's the tower? Where's the tower? Where's the tower? I was there. I was really close to them. I was like, oh man. I was running, skating. That's the worst. So as I walk into the theatre room, I still don't have any clue who's going to be my comedian, and I took a 5-second pause frame for this poster, hoping this guy will be my comedian tonight, but turns out it is. So I was really glad, but I was only watched his 2-minute about Australia comedian film skit, but I don't know much about him. But unfortunately, I can't record anything during the show at all, so tough luck, you guys. So the show was finished and it was awesome. It was hilarious. It's making fun of Sydney and Melbourne the whole time, and it was great. And then, the girls, everyone's lining up for it as well. Can you imagine being a YouTube celebrity? It's so awesome, right? You have so much privilege, and people just always like you. I wish I'd get there one day. Hey guys, up to our turn for our photo, meet and greet. Woo. And it was awesome. Honestly, I had no idea he was actually from Sydney. But yeah, we try to figure out what's it gonna be like, what sort of pose in my mind. So I was thinking of, I gotta do something Sydney, right? So I done this. So if you guys are not aware of this, NIL, it means go.
Is it just me, or do a current affair do the exact same 3 stories every night? Number 1, Australia's worst landlord. Number 2, Australia's worst neighbour, right? And they always have the reporter going up to the guy being like, what do you have to say for yourself, mate? And the guy's always like, oh, fuck off, can't leave me alone. And number 3, violent Lebanese gangs, they're ruining everything.
After the show finished, I decided to take the group to play this dart game, which I really do enjoy about this Melbourne thing, this new trend. And yeah, they haven't even been to this place at all. So we had time to kill, so it was worth it. So why don't Sydney have this sort of stuff? Oh gosh, well, most of our arcades been closed down already. Oh well, I just enjoy playing this sort of stuff. So but let's go, my turn. Let's go, cameraman. Okay, 2, okay, 3, and did I get anything? So Jackie is interested in learning to ride on a skateboard. So Kang is guiding her step by step to hop on the board comfortably, and she's a bit struggle. She's whoop. Go again, and she's rolling backward. She's not comfortable kicking the board. Anyway, okay, so that's today's video, and Kang's first time learn to ride a skateboard, and he's pretty good. But he's gonna watch this. yeah. Oh well, so today is one of the best days I ever had, and you know, I had different, you know, as you see the content, like it's amazing. You know, I don't get to do that, you know, with my mates in Sydney, unfortunately. So yeah, you know. Oh, by the way, please hold on and stay at the end of the video. I'll show you the guys the location for this birthplace. Trust me, it's very hard, and please do stay on. And as well, I have photos. Come on, you feel like you want to see it, right? And yeah, I gotta wrap up the video right now. Alright, I will, don't be a third wheel, be a wheel strong power. I'm off. Oh, you enjoyed these videos and you want more? Click subscribe. I make weekly videos, and yeah, what are you waiting for? Is either you click up there or type up the bar and say Linda Builder. Done deal. Builder dropping some knowledge. To locate this bird feeding, it's really tough. Even this Google map, it doesn't tell you clearly. Like, come on, middle of the green field, like nowhere. So yeah, I've zoomed in a lot closer, and I couldn't screenshot the road, so you have to turn right on Coles Ridge Road. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Even a Mong Bulk Road, it doesn't guide you anywhere. It's just a main road. Once you head down to Coles Ridge Road and see the red dot, that's where the roundabout is. And once you go further way down, right straight down, as you can see, I've bubbled squared up the picnic ground point, and further down you see it's all landscape, it's all about bushy, so you feel like you're in a different area as well, landscape. And you know, by the time you pass the roundabout, you gotta go slow pace down, and this grand picnic point is on your left. And once you turn left, you'll see a souvenir and a cafe store, and it's easy. And you're right there, the bird show. Why being bird show? Bird feeding. So yeah, it's pretty difficult to spot this. So even me and Anne, we took a while to locate this spot, and hopefully this video will, you know, make it clear for you guys. So it's located in Donegal National Park.